So I had a schedule video for Wednesday because I'm trying to stick to a schedule, but that didn't work out so well. Because then I had a notice that this was coming, so I wanted to hold off and wait for this, and it actually came a day early. It was supposed to come tomorrow on Saturday, but anyways, I've been following Walltown Craftworks for a little bit on Instagram, and I always thought their pens were just absolutely beautiful, and I've been dying to get my hands on one, and finally I just said, okay, enough. I reached out to him and I asked, do you have anything purple coming up soon? They tend to sell out pretty fast, so I was like, whoa, let me just, get in the action before it's too late. And sure enough, he was about to start production on some pens, and I snagged one. So let me open this up and I'll show you guys. In case you're wondering, it isn't just a bubble wrap, it is in a box too, so it's well protected. And inside of that we have packing peanuts. So very well packaged. Oh my gosh. Walltown Craftworks. You guys know my accent is an issue, okay? So we're not gonna go there. Let me get rid of all these packing peanuts. I got a Cattsburg country store sticker. This is so cute. Business card. Ooh, Brett and Susan. Hey, Brett. Hey, Susan. Super cool. And now, here's the pen. Let me zoom you in because I gotta zoom you in for this one. Okay, so this is the Violet Abalone in Cattsburg pen with a medium nib. It is polished, so it should be like nice and shiny as opposed to the satin one. I like this packaging. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Right away, I'm like speechless. You guys. I have, I'm speechless. Wow. This is in fact one of my Grail pens. So I now have 2 out of my 3, and the third is unattainable to me. So am I happy with my second one? Absolutely. Oh my. Oh lordy. Guys. This is, oh my. I did get it. Oh, look at this grip. Look at this grip. Can I just look at this grip section? It is a medium nib. I don't know what kind it is. I don't know if it's Bach or Jowo. I'll have to double check and I'll list it down below. This is I believe it's resin, or is it acrylic? I don't know. I will leave all of that stuff down below. I'll link him and everything, and his IG and his Etsy shop. And if you could ever get your hands on one of these, oh my God, do I feel like it's absolutely worth it? Yes. The chatoyance in it, and I'm a sucker for chatoyance, but this is unreal. This is just absolutely stunning. Ooh. What am I gonna ink it with? Well, funny you should ask. Monteverde Rose Noir. I had to. It's like the perfect color. It's like the perfect combo. Okay, I'm gonna ink it and then I'll be right back. Okay, I changed the ISO a little bit, so I don't know if you'll be able to see better. Oh, there's a plane coming. So, I'm already having ink on my finger. Anyways, so I changed my ISO and hopefully, oh yeah, you can see better now. All that beautiful chatoyance on this pen, all those different colors. Oh my goodness gracious, look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Ooh, for size comparisons, let me see. Here it is next to my narwhal. It's a little bit shorter. Here it is next to a 3776, and they look beautiful together. It's about the same size. Here's an Opus 88 Picnic, a little bit smaller. my other Grail pen, Franklin Christoph 46, extra large, a little bit smaller than it. Still just freaking beautiful. I can't stop saying that. So as I said before, I inked it with Monteverde Rose Noir because it is the perfect color. So this is Walltwon. It's a very smooth nib. I really like this grip section. It's nice and big. It's really, really working for me. This is a medium steel nib. I can't lie. This is going to be sent out to Custom Nib Studio because I do want a cursive italic on this nib, on this pen. Oh, look at that. More ink. That's just my preference. It's fine as it is, but I do want a custom italic grind on this. Oh my gosh, it's just gonna take it up a notch for me and gonna make it even better. So, oh my goodness gracious. There we have it. Grail pen achieved. Walltown. It's Walltown Craftworks. Catsburg, Violet, Abalone. Delicious. Oh, right there. That's the shot. Yay! I'll link his IG, his Etsy shop. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.